So for a while now, I've been looking for different ways to make money online, and I came across this website known as Swagbucks, and this website pays you for completing online tasks, doing surveys, and even playing games. So I figured I'd give it a shot in this video. I want to see if this is really something that you guys could try as a side hustle to make some extra money. So we're going to go ahead and walk through the home screen and all of the different rewards that you could redeem, and then we're going to go ahead and try to complete some of these challenges to see how much money I could make. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So right over here, I have the Swagbucks website pulled up, and just to give you guys a quick idea of how you earn money with this site, you pretty much redeem your Swagbucks that you'll earn from completing online tasks. And right here, as you guys can see, I currently have 500, which is equal to $5, because every 100 Swagbucks is equal to $1 American. And then you could go over here and you could redeem it for all of these gift card options. So if I made 4,250 Swagbucks, I could then get this $50 Apple gift card. If I were to get this prepaid MasterCard, I would only have to pay $2,175. And there's also $15 options, which I would only pay 1,500 Swagbucks for. And you could earn Swagbucks by coming back to this home screen and completing surveys, as you guys can see over here. And there's a lot of other stuff that I'm gonna walk you guys through real quick. But real quick, I made 500 Swagbucks, 300 of them coming from the survey that I completed when I first opened my account, which was asking me about myself, what I do on my free time, and just a little bit of information to get an idea of what other surveys to refer me to, which is how I was able to get all these other options. And then I was also able to sign up using my phone number and confirming that, and they also gave me another 200 Swagbucks, which is how I got 500. So like I said, you guys could do surveys to earn money. Right over here, you guys could also earn these little cashback stuff, just like on gasoline. You could even enter raffles if you wanted to, and 1 million Swagbucks would be equal a whole lot of money. I believe that would be like $10,000 if I'm not mistaken. And then over here, you guys could also choose to do these little sign up bonus things where you could shop and earn money, and you also get cash back. You could even play games to make money. So now that you've got an idea how you could make money, we're also going to go to this other screen that allows you to make even more money, because all you have to do is sign up for some of these websites and you'll get paid for them. Normally signing up for a website takes about a minute, and right over here you guys can see that it says sign up and earn 30 Swagbucks, which means that you earn 30 cents just for signing up to this website. So you could think of every Swagbuck as equaling 1 penny, and there's a lot of different offers over here that you guys could do if you guys are looking for quick and easy ways to make some money. So now I'm going to go ahead and start exploring this homepage and see what offers I could complete to make some quick money, and I'll get back to you guys. So at this point, I just locked in on all of the different surveys that I could do, signing up for websites and earning the bonuses, and even making a few online purchases for some cash back. So let's see how that went. So one thing that I've noticed is that although I completed a lot of online challenges, a few of them will take a few business days to pen, just like this over here that I'm about to show you. As you guys can see over here, it says install and make a $5 deposit and play at least 3 games, and it'll take 32 days to pen until you could get the credits. So that right there is going to take a while. Although I already completed this challenge, it will take me 32 days. So technically, we're at 511 plus 2,500, so 3,011 Swagbucks. I got 11 Swagbucks from completing a quick 5-minute survey earlier. I also went ahead and made that qualifying purchase for that $10 bonus that I was showing you guys earlier. So that right there is also pending. Although I spent $25 to get the $10, I planned on buying the thing from the Macy's website anyways, so it's kind of a win in my eyes. I practically bought it for $15. So while that's pending, that should also boost our amount up a little bit higher, and I'll add that up afterwards. So I just finished completing all those easy sign up bonuses that I was showing you guys a second ago, and those took me about 10 to 15 minutes to finish up, and that left me at 651 Swagbucks. As you guys can see at the top right corner, it means I've made $6.51 so far. And there's also these other offers right here for playing video games on your phone, and this game right here, Coin Master, is actually very easy to level up in. So if you guys do have a cell phone to do this on, then you guys could go ahead. This is probably going to be the easiest 50 bucks that you make, so go ahead and give that a shot. And I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to sign up and join on in the challenge, because I almost forgot to mention that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back into it. Since I am back to doing a few questionnaires and surveys, it does get a little bit boring, so I would suggest playing games on your phone if you guys have a phone to do this on. So right now I'm back with a quick update. As you guys could see, I'm at 716 Swagbucks, and I was just checking out all the other rewards that I could get. I see some things up here saying $10 PayPal, $15 PayPal, so I tried to redeem it, but it turns out that those are actually out of stock, so I can't really redeem those lower rewards, because in reality, I could have just redeemed the 716 through PayPal, but I guess I'm gonna have to keep going on. So I've been at this for a little over an hour and a half to 2 hours now. I thought I was only gonna do this challenge for an hour, but it is kind of interesting to see how much I could make. And although right now you guys saw that that I only have 716 that is confirmed and guaranteed. I still have the other pending Swagbucks for my Macy's purchase and the other sites that I signed up for earlier. So those should also come up, just like the game where I had to spend like $5, I think, or something like that. So I'm just gonna wait for that to come up over the next few business days, and hopefully I can just redeem a gift card. But for the most part, this right here is actually a pretty easy challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to it to see if I could up the amount to maybe like 2,000 Swagbucks in total, because I believe right now we're at like 1,800 if we were to include the pending balance onto what I have right now. So let's go ahead and get back into it. All right, I'm back again with a quick update. As you guys can see, I have 730, and this little section over here was probably the easiest amount of Swagbucks. I noticed that they have 2 Swagbucks for every 10 questions, so I was literally just breezing through all 10 questions, and I just made a bunch of extra Swagbucks, which is what got me to 730. So I thought I'd just give you guys that quick little update. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I am getting tired of doing surveys, so I'm trying to figure out what else I could do. But right now we're sitting at 730 Swagbucks, like I just showed you guys. So for the most part, you definitely could make money doing this. So I know for a fact that this is something that's pretty interesting to do as a side hustle. But in terms of doing surveys, I'm not gonna do that no more. I'm gonna go find more sites that I could get sign-up bonuses for, and hopefully those will be paid out immediately, because I know a few of them did pay out when I just signed up for Domino's and signed up for some other website that gave 30 Swagbucks along with a few more. So I'm gonna go back to doing those. So I was just scrolling through and I came across this screen as well, and I completely forgot to mention I signed up for SoFi to check the credit score thing. I feel like I mentioned that earlier in the video, but that 500 is also pending. And then I also signed up for Stash, which is right down here, and I forgot this one paid so much. It pays 4,500 Swagbucks, which is equal to $45. So I'm definitely waiting for that one to come in. But you could also do this other stuff like sign up for Chime and just set up direct deposit, and you'll get 17,000 Swagbucks, which is equal to $170. Then you have this other stuff down here, which is pretty easy. You make a deposit, you get 15,000, which is $150 back on a $50 deposit on SoFi. Then you could even send $10 on the PayPal that you create, and then when you send $10, they give you another $10 practically. And you could just send $10 to your friend and have them send it back to you, so you don't have to make any money. You don't have to make any expense at all. And you could also share and earn it if you want to, so you guys could share that with your friends and they could sign up and you could earn from that. And there's a lot of other stuff down here which I find to be pretty cool, so I'm gonna try to sign up for a few of those, although I'm not gonna get them instantly. But since they will come up as pending, I could still redeem the gift card later on in the future. So I just finished up a few more signups, and I know I said I was going to do the stuff that pays instantly like surveys, but those got really boring. So after I showed you guys that screen, I got pretty fascinated by some of those huge sign up offers. So I went ahead and did them, and I wrote them down right over here. So the first thing I signed up for was, of course, SoFi to check my credit score, and that one is pending, and that one paid $5 or 500 Swagbucks. Then I also did the Stash sign up, which gave me 4,500, or at least it's supposed to give me 4,500, because my Stash account is currently under review, and I think that takes a few business days as well, so I should be waiting for that. And then I also got the money from the surveys and the sign up, which was 730 like I was showing you guys earlier. Then PayPal also gave me $400 or 400 Swagbucks because of the referral, so that's pending because I already have a PayPal account, so I just got one of my friends to sign up for it for this video. And then Kudos was another one that I have pulled up over here. I'm not completely sure what Kudos is because all it did was say that I had to sign up and I'll get 200 Swagbucks, so I went ahead, and in total we've pretty much made 6,330 Swagbucks after 3.5 hours of doing this. I also almost forgot to throw in the Macy's bonus along with the other game that I deposited $5 on, so realistically it's an extra 3,500 Swagbucks on top of the 6,300, so we practically hit like 10,000 Swagbucks, which is $100 in 3 hours. So I'm pretty impressed with that because I completely forgot that I signed up for that game earlier. So hopefully these won't be pending for too long because I'm kind of eager to redeem it for a gift card, or at least take it to PayPal if they actually let me do so. But for the most part, if you guys are looking for a quick and easy side hustle, I highly recommend this. And the best part is, even if you end up depositing money, you could end up withdrawing it afterwards. You don't necessarily have to keep it on the platform that you sign up for. So this is easily one of the best platforms that I've used online. It's much better than just doing regular survey websites that pay you like 2 pennies for every survey. So I'll leave the link down in the description if you guys want to sign up for Swagbucks. I have a personal account and I have a business account, so I'll just leave my business account down there so that you guys could sign up and start earning money. You guys could check that out and let me know how that goes. Just leave a comment down below if you guys did enjoy this video. Smash the like button and of course subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.